Day 2 of the 4th IPA Nationals is underway here at the Bennett University, and joining me at this moment is Amrita Mukherjee, who is the Secretary of the West Bengal Pickleball Association. Amrita, firstly, welcome here at the Bennett University. How do you like the facilities? We have 14 outdoor pickleball courts. Your first impression of where the 4th IPA Nationals are happening?
So we were just talking about this yesterday in our team as well. The facilities are phenomenal. I mean, a university like this in India, it bodes very well for the future of sport in the country. Not only in pickleball, but I think in across all sports, because I'm amazed by the facilities and I really hope the students are also making full use of it. It's brilliant, and we're all very excited to be here. We're from West Bengal. We're a strong team, and we're looking forward to the matches. We had a good start yesterday as well.
You know, we have players from top states here, 22 states, and let's talk about West Bengal. Could you talk to us about what the pickleball scene in West Bengal is like in terms of, how many players would you have, how many pickleball courts are there, what do you think of pickleball rising in West Bengal and in our country, of course?
In West Bengal, over the last 1 year, pickleball has seen a boom that is completely unprecedented. Honestly, I didn't expect it to explode in the manner that it has. So we have more than, I think, around almost 100 courts now, where a year ago we had maybe 1 or 2. So you can gauge the level of growth by that. We have a very wonderful community of players who are really enjoying the sport and want to play more competitions and want to improve their game. So I think the only way for West Bengal pickleball to go is up, and we're all very excited for the journey ahead.
And when we talk about from India perspective, we were also speaking to the IPA president, and he said that there are about 5 lakh players already who are registered to play pickleball. So obviously the number is rising very, very fast. But if I were to ask you, top 2-3 reasons of why pickleball is so rapidly growing in India, what would it be? I'm sure one of the reasons is the tournaments that we've been managing to have here, whether it was Duper India Masters or the 4th IPA Nationals now.
I think there are various reasons, but if I have to narrow it down to a few, then it's just about how enjoyable the sport is. People of any age, of any level can start playing pickleball, and it's a social sport. You can play with your friends and your family. It's not as technical as, for example, tennis is. So that's one important reason. And also, like you mentioned, we're having so many tournaments, and the coverage that you guys are giving is also a big factor, right? Because we're getting exposure, and everybody wants that exposure, that publicity, and to play more tournaments to get their name out there. So I think it's a combination of reasons, but pickleball as a sport is here to stay in India and across the world as well.
Message to people who still haven't tried the sport, what would you tell them?
I would say that it doesn't matter if you've played a sport ever or if you haven't played a sport. Just come and give it a try. Give yourself half an hour to play the sport and then take a decision. And I think the decision is very simple.
Thank you so much, and wish you all the very best. Wish Team West Bengal all the very best.
Thank you so much.